What's he trying to do?
He was offering money to get a car and did the same thing with the Avis.
How much for a car? I'll give you $50.
Black jacket or no?
Black jacket.
How'd I get 200 short?
I don't know. You asked me. I have no idea why. So are you saying one of my officers stole your money? Is that what you're saying?
For sure. I like the way he plays him out.
Okay, but you weren't flying out?
I like the way he plays him out. Fresh air, so.
On August 11th, 2023, at Orlando International Airport in Florida, a routine security stop became a legal case study. The stop itself was legally sound. What happened next, inside a patrol car, may have quietly undone the case.
Huh? Where do you... Where?
On this level still? Level 2?
Where's he at?
You went down?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, what's that?
What's he trying to do?
He was offering money to get a car and did the same thing with the Avis.
How much for a car?
$50.
I'll give you $50.
Black jacket or no?
Black jacket.
Okay.
Which way?
That went down?
293. We're going to be on level, or R1, adjacent to, I think it's Hertz.
My man! Come here. Talking to you.
No, it's going to be Alamo. Towards the QTC.
10-4.
Just offer me $100 to open the gate.
Yeah, he's doing that to a bunch of guys. And he's running westbound through the garage.
Yeah, 295. He may be trying to signal 10, a vehicle, or possibly 10 Charlie. Which way do you go? Got another unit we can give us a hand over here?
Anyone in a vehicle, if you get the B exit, B garage exit. Gonna be a Hispanic male, about 5'7", 5'8", black jacket, blue jeans, white sneakers, low haircut.
Yeah, medium length hair with facial hair.
John, what do we have? What are our charges?
You just stop. Stop. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
So what happened wrong, sir?
On the ground. On the ground.
What happened wrong, sir?
Turn over. Turn over. Do it now.
Sir.
Yeah, you may have
What did wrong?
Hey, call 911. I can't transmit.
I'm trying to call you.
You're gonna roll over and put you in handcuffs. You understand?
I didn't do nothing, though.
Okay. Call 911. I can't transmit. Thank
Garage.
you.
R1, running on foot towards the exit. Hispanic male, 5'7", 5'8", black jacket, jeans, white sneakers.
You're gonna roll over, okay? And you're gonna comply.
Anybody gotten with the call?
Or you're gonna get hurt. Do you understand me?
I didn't do nothing, though.
We'll figure this out. Why'd you take off running from me?
Yeah,
I didn't take on nobody.
Okay.
Bribe with her.
I didn't even see y'all.
Okay, have we figured out if we have any charges, or did he just take off
Hey.
running? Because I'm not going to go chase somebody around the parking garage if we don't have any.
Hey, it's Officer
Yeah, we have
Hilliker.
no
I don't
charges.
have transmission. I got 1012 with the suspect.
Milling about,
Level
passing the gate,
1,
and just
B
letting
side
out with a
by
vehicle.
mirrors, just inside the doorways. I'm hands on. He's not compliant. Roll over.
All right, well, look, that's about they wrong.
Okay, you understand me? Don't do anything stupid or
I'm
you're
not.
gonna get hurt.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, we'll figure everything out, okay? Roll over.
Hey guys, we'll get with the claim again just in case.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I got you. I'm not got you,
We've been asking gate attendees and employees to give them access to a gate to leave the state car. Not sure if it's 1012 or somebody in here.
Stay right there, dude. Do not move.
GoCom unit signal 44, level 1, Bravo, side by mirrors, reference to subject fighting with officer.
I don't need a 44 now. He's in cuffs. I just need units over here now.
I don't give you consent to search my. I never committed no crime, sir.
Okay.
Alright, I got you.
Never committed no crime, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Search my pockets for it, sir.
All right. Just let people know that are coming. I can't transmit. I got him in cuffs right now.
GoCom to all units responding level 1, Bravo side. Tango 225 on scene with subject 1015.
Got it?
Yeah, I can't transmit my radio.
Okay. Headquarters, we're 1012.
Body camera.
Cancel the 44.
Dude, my body camera won't turn on. It's a mess.
Copy, canceling 44.
This is him, right?
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, he took off running for me too. Roll over just a little bit.
I don't do shit.
Where's your ID? You got any ID?
GoCom to units canceling signal 44.
Give consent to be searched, and I don't know where to put those to, sir.
Shut up.
That's crazy, sir.
You on paper for anything?
Sir, I will not be identifying myself, sir.
Are you on paper for anything?
Sir, I never even did nothing. I'm on my lawyer.
Okay. We'll get him for you, okay?
Cause you had more money than that.
295.
Yeah, you're sitting on the rest of it.
My number?
No, I had more hundreds than that.
Okay.
1045.
Hey, don't worry about it. Everything's on camera for you. I
How's
didn't
my
search
camera?
it, so right here.
But your camera was off the whole time.
No, it wasn't. It actually was
Sir,
wrong.
see, supervisor.
My supervisor.
This
98
man right here. This is
Yeah.
the
Four
backup.
five
Don't
eight
worry about it.
0.
Why are you running then? Why are you asking people to give them money to get a car
I never
out?
asked you that.
Huh?
I never asked that, sir.
Oh, you're on camera? It's you?
Sir, I never asked that.
You are? Oh, you're not? So did somebody else in the camera ask you for that?
No, sir. I never said. I never.
Okay. You picked the wrong place, wrong time to be out here.
So he was coming across the street right here. And I just jumped out and he took off running in here and then he stopped once I told him. Okay. So.
You don't think you dumped anything in the trash can?
No. No, I did not that I saw. So.
I'll go take a quick look.
Okay.
I'm just waiting on.
This is still on, but I had to call 911 because I couldn't transmit down there.
Okay. That's why I
So-
needed to know. It's one of the reasons I
And then she goes, I go, hey, he is struck because he had to get taken down, and I go, I just got him like spread out and everything else, and he's still non-compliant because he's still tensing up. And
You have a car coming for him.
I don't think that's got a cage in it though.
Bravo 45.
I don't know if he threw anything.
Correction 47.
We're just gonna walk back.
I apologize, I cut you off.
I know.
He was talk to Marsh. He was
Bravo
up there
1 Bravo
talking.
side at space Bravo 47.
Use of force or no?
I don't think so. He didn't say he
They
did.
ran here, stopped, and they took him. You have to get with Dana.
He said to get with you guys.
No, we just followed him all the way here. They pointed him out to us. Tried to get 1012, and he just walked, ran. He tried to run in here.
Well, I don't know what transpired to make it to this point with Dana.
I don't care if we get 10 calls holding. I don't care right now because a lot of these calls are. We need to figure out what we got here first.
I'm still on, but
So am I.
to give you the rundown.
Yeah, what do we have? I don't even know
So
what's going
they're
on.
calling out like possible signal 10. That's how the call came out.
Who is?
The call came out as a possible
Go in
signal
the shade.
10. From what I remember from the call, he went up to the checkout people at Avis that run the booth and was offering $300 to take a car. So they called it in, and then he went back.
Was he in a car?
That I don't know, but they said the call came out. He was trying to signal 10 cars. They get up there, they find the guy. He takes off running.
Okay, so
And
we have
then
at least suspicion.
then they called out. He's trying to. He might be trying to signal 10 or 10 Charlie a car. They called that out.
Okay, so we have enough.
Yes. Oh yeah. And then
Because
so
I don't.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, officers may briefly detain someone based on reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. Florida's Stop and Frisk Law, Section 901.151, codifies that exact standard for temporary detentions. Here, a rental car employee directly reported being offered cash to release a vehicle from the lot. A first-hand citizen account like that is generally treated as reliable, satisfying the suspicion threshold without a warrant. Because that information came from an identified employee, not an anonymous tip, it carries extra weight under Florida law. When the suspect ran and then refused to comply, officers used a leg sweep to bring him to the ground. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is judged by what a reasonable officer knew in that moment, not hindsight. A leg sweep sits at the low end of the force continuum, classified as soft, empty hand control. Given active flight and physical resistance, that response falls within constitutionally reasonable limits. Officers also searched the suspect and counted his cash in front of him at the scene. That search is permitted once probable cause exists, and counting money on camera protects against later theft claims. The underlying offense is grand theft of a motor vehicle under Florida Statute Section 812.014, subsection 2, C6. Completed grand theft auto in Florida is a third-degree felony, regardless of the vehicle's value. Because no vehicle was actually taken, this would likely be charged as an attempt under Section 777.04. Attempt charges are typically filed 1 full degree below the completed offense under Florida law. Prosecutors ultimately choose the exact charge, but the elements captured on camera support either the completed or attempted offense. The indefinite airport trespass warning issued afterward is a separate administrative action, not a criminal charge.
Like when I asked what we had and we have nothing in there.
So I see him right in the middle of the road as I'm coming up. He's crossing the road. So I jump out on him. He takes off running like just that short distance inside the door, and then he stopped and turned around, and I grab him by the hands, and he's tensing on. I'm like, get on the ground, get on the ground, get on the ground. He don't get on the ground. I just leg sweep him to the ground.
So we don't have a use of force or anything?
No,
okay.
no. And then I couldn't transmit in there. My radio's gone.
Of course not. This radio, that doesn't work down here.
I'm like, I'm telling
270 go. We need someone to get a page car down here, please. Hey, one of you guys go get a car, please.
Englehart's coming. Engelhart said he was coming 51.
No, he's not.
He's not? All right.
I had to cancel him. Do we have the initial caller here?
Yeah. So Avis manager over there, sir.
Is that the guy?
Yes, sir.
So we got another one?
Yeah, same thing at the Sea
The other guy was trying to get the car. He was trying to get the gate open.
That makes sense. Why don't you go and try and find that guy?
Okay.
And we'll handle him.
Okay. So the one girl at the gate says, like we see him talking to her. So she sees us, he starts walking towards like that part of the garage. So she runs out and says, hey.
Put your feet up, both of them.
He just tried to offer me like $300 or something like that to open the gate for him. And so we were probably about 100 yards distance. So I go to him, hey man, we'll talk to you. So he like looks over, he's just walking. As soon as we get into the garage, he just starts taking. That's when we called it out, saying that because he didn't know if he.
Do we have release resisting on this guy, or what are our charges on this guy?
Don't stop. Be with police. It's simple.
It's enough.
Then whatever
suspicion of the signal pin.
Yeah. But you know I know what the deal is. So.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
We may have his partner in the C terminal.
Hey, we have one subject in custody, possible group out here trying to signal 10 cars. Do you want to talk to this guy? See if he'll talk.
Stand up.
Make sure we count this money before we take it out.
Yep. Your $2 bill, 800.
$1,800.
$1,800.
$1,822.
How did I get 200 short?
I don't know. You ask me. I have no idea why. So are you saying one of my officers stole your money? Is that what you're saying?
Like I said, I had 2,000.
Are you saying that or no?
Before.
Okay, so you're not saying it. Okay,
Yes,
good.
I ain't saying that.
No, you're not. Because you were willing to give money to the lady out there.
I wasn't willing to give money to nobody.
Maybe you gave money to him anyway.
You know you're under arrest, right?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay, you are under arrest. Absolutely 100% under arrest. Let's see.
I'm happy with that right there.
Get in the car.
Wait till we get all the way to the interview room.
I'm wondering what's the best.
At this point, it doesn't matter. Just take them. Put your feet in there.
So 25 cents from me or something.
High caliber injury.
Right there.
So before I ask you any questions, Jose, my name is Detective Tom Ross with the Orlando Police Department. Why did you come here today? What brought you from Windermere to the Orlando International Airport today?
I know the call coming from Windermere.
Okay, where did you come from?
But what brought me to the airport?
Yeah.
Fresh air. I like the way planes smell.
Okay, but you weren't flying out?
Like the way planes smell fresh air, sir.
Okay, but you weren't flying out at all today.
I have not purchased my flight ticket.
Do you know anybody here at the airport that works here?
I have no relation to the airport, sir. Or no relationships. to the airport.
Nothing? Nobody?
Sir,
No employees? No friends that work here?
I have no relationships with the airport, sir.
Did you approach one of the employees?
When I was in the parking garage,
Yes.
I don't recall. But if I did, I just seen they wanted anything.
Did you get in any car today?
No, I
That
have
does not
not.
belong to you.
I have not, sir.
Do you have any keys to any of the cars here?
If I have any keys to any of these cars here,
Any of the rental cars?
any of the other rental cars, when you think get off of me,
I'm asking you. I don't know.
Sir,
I don't
they never got
know
off of
you.
me, so no.
Okay. Again, I don't know you. You don't know me, so I'm just asking you questions. Okay. I don't know the answers to these questions. That's why I'm asking you. Okay. Were you with anybody today?
I was getting fresh air by myself.
Okay, so I'm told that you approached an employee, offered them money to take a car out.
No, I have not, sir.
Okay. The reason that I'm here today on my day off is I'm told that you spoke to an employee, asked them that if you gave them money that you would take a car. If you took a car in here, what were we going to do with the car?
Like I said, I have no keys on me. I asked me, I have the keys? I said, no. Do I have the keys to a rental car related to a rental car? I said, no. You asked me, have I touched a car? I said, no. That's what happened. No.
Well, I'm here to give you the opportunity to tell me why you were here today,
I told you.
other than getting fresh air.
That's just, I'm told you.
Okay.
I'm getting
going to end the interview.
What's wrong with fresh air?
But the more serious legal problem surfaces later inside the patrol car during questioning. A detective questions the handcuffed suspect directly about his intent with no Miranda warning heard on camera. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, requires that warning before any custodial interrogation begins. Handcuffed in a patrol car counts as custody. Asking about criminal intent counts as interrogation. If no warning was given off camera either, any incriminating statements could be suppressed at trial. That would not undo the arrest itself, only the detective's ability to use those statements as evidence. Any physical evidence and the earlier witness statements remain admissible either way, since Miranda only affects statements made in custody. One more thread. Illinois versus Wardlow, decided in 2000, holds that unprovoked flight adds to reasonable suspicion. Flight is a factor, not a standalone justification, which is why the employee's report still mattered most. Once the suspect ran, initial suspicion hardened into probable cause, which is what actually authorizes an arrest rather than a stop. There's also a smaller wrinkle. The officer's own body camera briefly malfunctioned during the takedown, a detail worth noting in court. Grading the encounter, the arresting officer earns a B- since the stop and the use of force were both justified. The detective earns a C for an apparent and entirely avoidable Miranda failure during questioning. The suspect earns a C+, avoiding physical resistance but talking instead of invoking his right to silence. 3 quick takeaways. First, one credible witness statement can be enough to justify a police stop. Second, running from police adds suspicion, but running alone is rarely a chargeable crime on its own. Third, an arrest can be entirely lawful even when the interrogation that follows it is not. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you would like broken down next. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more legal analysis of police encounters.